After 21 days of anxiety and waiting through the Christmas holidays, I finally have my German student visa for summer 2026. Hi guys, I'm Anmol and today I am unboxing my visa, sharing my exact timeline for VFS Delhi and which flight I booked and why. Here is the breakdown of my visa journey. So on December 4th, filled the application on CSB portal and on 5th got a correction request. December 8th, the application got approved and the fees was around 1000 rupees. The slots were available immediately, so I booked mine for 16th of December. After my VFS appointment at Delhi, I got the mail that my application was dispatched to the embassy. I waited through the Christmas holidays and on January 2nd, I received the mail that decision has been made. Then on January 5th, I got mail that passport received at VFS Delhi and is dispatched for my address. And finally, on January 6th, the passport got delivered to my home. So even with the holidays, it took exactly 21 days. If you are applying now, it might be even faster.